Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and in this video I'm going to talk about natural remedies for constipation. Over 4 million people in the United States suffer from frequent constipation. So this is a very common issue and is nothing to be ashamed of. And hopefully in this video we can give you some great ideas so that you are not constipated, because you don't want to be constipated. You don't want to settle for that throughout your days. Daily bowel movements are really important for your health. So you want to see 1 to 2 full bowel movements every day. Waste is garbage. It has toxins in it. It has discarded hormones in it. It has microbes that need out of your body. So you don't want stool hanging out in your colon and being reabsorbed into your body. Constipation can lead to other serious bodily problems like irritable bowel syndrome, colon cancer, hemorrhoids, and anal fissures. The natural remedies for constipation that we've been working with, we've built up over 2 decades, and we've worked with thousands of people to assist them to move their bowels on a regular basis. So diet is important. We have that laid out in my book, 10 Days to Optimal Health. So you can follow that 35-day program, which will help you eliminate constipation forever. And you want to make sure you eat liberal amounts of fruits and vegetables, good amounts of proteins and healthy fats, and to avoid gluten, pasteurized dairy, and sugar. Also, along with that dietary changes, you can add in enemas. Enemas are a highly therapeutic tool that can be used once a week or every day for a short period of time as needed, or once a month, to alleviate constipation and optimize your bowel movements. We've developed an enema process that gives benefit to the whole body and makes sure that the any kind of harmful benefits of the enema are removed. So our made for enema soap is rich in butyric acid, which is the main fuel for the mucosal lining of the colon, and a great therapeutic to add into the colon to improve the musculature functioning of the colon. So that's the first enema in the series. And then the second one is the sea salt and colon cleanse essential oil blend. Those 2 therapeutics mixed together and put into your enema water and then taken into the body help to optimize your electrolyte levels in the colon and also function as a prebiotic, and are done as the second step in our enema series. And then the third step in our enema series is our made for enema low acid, high palmitate coffee that is excellent for improving gallbladder and liver function and also increasing glutathione levels in the body, and a wonderful completion of our 3-step enema series. Supplements can also be used to optimize bowel function. We find that orthomoleculars, reacted magnesium, being the different types of magnesium, the malate, the citrate, the lysine, glycinate, that works really well to optimize bowel function. We use that a lot in infants. Also, sometimes people, it doesn't work magnesium alone, so we add in a digestive enzyme to help digest the food, but also move the bowels. And then vitamin C to improve immunity, as well as to optimize the bowel flow. So sometimes we have people use these 3 together, and that gives great support for the whole body, but also optimizes the bowel flow to 1 to 2 a day. If your constipation is really severe and nothing works, Super Aloe is a great laxative, which is Cape Aloe, and that can be used safely on a short-term measure. If you need any personal support to optimize your bowel flow, you can reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com, 608-242-0200, and I do consultations where I can help you develop an overall program to optimize your bowel function. So thank you for watching and have a blessed day.